Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pro Wolf Trader. Welcome to the stream. I was just messing with you guys. How was that for a little intro? The stream will be back and the stream's gonna be ending soon. Anyways, enough joking around. Today we have an important day. Why? Because today is GDP. After GDP is unemployment. After unemployment is PCE. So in short, we're gonna be pretty much occupied. Let's focus on how we're gonna plan our trades today. Let me first clear few things out. Today, the stream is gonna just be educational. I'll just be helping you guys out with where your buy, how the data is gonna be bullish or bearish. Okay, entering a trade is your own responsibility. But if you want entry, you're really welcome. Join the premium group. Okay, you'll get signals. But other than that, I'll be strictly be focused on the scene educational material because today we don't have one, two, we have three. Premium and unemployment will release after 15 minutes, and after then like an hour and a half, 1.3 hours, 2 hours, sorry, we're gonna receive the other half of the news, which is core PCE. And after that, if you're somebody who's trading inventory, oil inventories, stay on the stream. Today's stream is gonna be it's gonna be longer. The reason is that tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so I'll try to do a 6-hour stream. But I need you guys to stay with me during this 6 hours. You will have plenty of opportunities for buy or sell entries. I will give you hints, but again, I'm saying I'm not gonna give any signals. If you want signals, you can join the premium group, and if you wanna learn how I trade and a bunch of other guys from batch 1, 2, and 3, join the fourth batch and join them in the trading floor. Yes, and right, let's jump on to what we're gonna do. Before I start, let me post the link for the Telegram channel. Join this channel to stay update. New York session just started. Let me turn off this indicator. This was our yesterday high and low. First, let's mark these zones. Okay, so we know where the price was yesterday and where the price will be. This is really important. Marking your territory. Even wolves mark their territory, don't they? And this was the stream. Remember, I said in the stream that it's either gonna go up if it stays below 2650. It's gonna be bearish, but given that it's climbing and almost near the same region, and even the Netanyahu's, the ceasefire stuff that didn't work on. So this is really crucial. Give me 1 minute. I'm opening some stuff that will help us in the trading. It's gonna be really 6 hours. So stay tuned and join the community, okay? Yeah, I forgot to post the Pro Wolf Trader Telegram page. Join this Telegram page and also go join the Discord page. Sorry, Discord channel, okay? Discord is where we all sit and trade, and there's all kind of education material stuff for you guys, Give me 1 minute just. I'm sorting some stuff out. Some stuff that need to be done. Keep me intact. Yeah, we're gonna trade the news. I'm trading the news live. Ya Allah. Okay, let's first mark what's gonna happen. First, let's bring back our fellow indicator. So we know where the Tokyo low still is and where the Tokyo high is. Okay, even Tokyo close, and we know where the London low is and where the London high is. Right now, New York open. So the data is coming in. Looking at the data right now, we have to see what kind of data it is. It doesn't matter the data is bullish or bearish. There is a thing called pump and dump and dump and pump. If you are not familiar, it means that when the data is released, people are either buying the news, buy the news, sell the fact. disregard of what the news is gonna pump up and dump. Okay. Let's focus. Okay, everything. Okay, I'm done with this. And besides this, just give me 1 minute. Let me inform other people who are my lovers, if you know what I mean, that I'm available now. Necessary. And I will be briefing about I will also be talking about Bitcoin today because my analysis on Bitcoin during live stream was on point. Let me just quickly go. This was my analysis on Bitcoin. And I give this analysis live on stream on Monday, if I'm right. Yeah, Saturday actually there was a Bitcoin stream on Saturday, short stream, and even on Monday I give this when we were over here. I clearly mentioned why it's gonna drop, and I linked it with micro strategy. If you missed it, then the blame is on you. And those people who say I sell courses, I sell signals, bro. If you dying, doctor won't even treat you in the hospital. Of course, I work hard. I have a team. I have to pay money. And whatever I earn from this, I pay to them. I'm investing this money back into the community. You guys don't even know what I'm doing for you because you are haters. Anyways, let's not talk about them. Briefly talked about this drop in the live stream. Okay. What the hell is this? And I talked about this. Okay. And I gave the reason because Black Friday sale is coming, it's gonna drop. And one more reason was MicroStrategy shares 3 months ago they were $100, okay, and it dropped down, and it pumped up, and and right now it was up all time high. Wall Street started short selling this. This is why you see this drop. Now it's pumping up again. Now coming back to gold. One more minute. Let me open up the charts so I can see the data. Right now I have so many fucking screens open. My head is okay. So we have unemployment, GDP. GDP is expected to be lower and unemployment is expected to be higher. Okay. So we have higher unemployment and lower GDP. Okay. So let's just put this. This is the condition. And besides this, we have unemployment, a bunch of other stuff, but I'm just gonna focus on, GDP first. Although unemployment is more important, but I'll update you guys. I cannot GDP and unemployment claim because I'm doing a lot of stuff. Hold on a second. Okay. I have done this before several times. Several times. Hit the like button, guys. Come on, hit the like button. 3 likes. I need 2 more likes, and I also put in the unemployment chart too. The unemployment stuff and anything else. So when the data comes in, you guys don't need to think. You immediately know what to do. I won't give you any entries. Oh, the entries will only be delivered to premium guys. But I'll be here. I'm helping. One more like, and I'll put all the data necessary for you guys to understand what to do when the data comes out. One more like. Okay. Hold on a second. I'm putting wait. How much time is left? Also be active on chat and keep me informed because I'm doing a lot of stuff, you know. If I miss out something, be active on chat. My mind is going back and forth. I'm watching a lot of stuff, okay? So keep in touch with me, okay? Inform me what's happening. I'm looking at gold, natural gas, VTI crude oil, Bitcoin, USD JPY, Euro USD. Okay, so stay with me, guys. Be active. I need you guys to, as a team to, what the hell? The data can be mixed. I'm saying to you, be really careful. If you have any trades running, take your profit because market now, market does this. Is gonna dump or pump or dump. It and right even this can also happen that nothing happens. Because we have PCE. And by the way, if you are watching my stream daily, you know that inflation is rising. CPI, PPI, PC, everything, you know, is rising and Fed is ignoring inflation. If you want my personal opinion, I would clearly suggest that this thing is, gold is gonna go up because that's what I see it like. Well, good luck to you guys if you have any trades running. Have a stop loss, okay? Anything can happen. Anything. Okay, 4 minutes left for the news. Like this stream, guys. Okay, everything is in front of you. As soon as the data will come out, let me zoom in. As soon as the data will come out, we gonna wait. Wait for the data. Don't trade now, okay? We have how many? 3 minutes left. If you wanna go to washroom, do something, do that. Okay, guys. Hit the like button, okay? If you guys like, I have 5 likes, 3 more likes, and I'll hint you what to do when the data comes out. 3 more likes. Be smart, okay? If you have any trades running, close them and profit and wait for the news. Maybe dump and pump, maybe it pump and dump and then pump. Anything can happen. Here is the Discord channel link. Alright, join it. Let's focus. How much time left? 2 minutes left. Let's do this. The data can be mixed too, so it might take time. Bitcoin is pumping. Okay, guys, I'll be quiet. Do you guys want me to be quiet or be active? Because my mind is GG. Okay, Euro USD. What the fuck you are doing, bro? At least USD JPY is pumping. I don't know. I have a feeling that USD JPY is gonna tank. 1 minute left, guys. Get ready, buckle up. It's out, I think. No, it's 1 minute. How much? There will be a delay, okay? There will be a 10-second delay of YouTube stream. Good luck. Godspeed. It's here, baby. It's lower, it's lower, it's lower. It's lower, lower. It's lower, baby, slower. Okay, GDP is out. GDP is out. Market is moving. Market is moving. It's a pump or a dump or a dump or a pump. I don't know. Market is moving. Market. There is no reaction. There is no reaction. See, I told you, the data is mixed. Market might take some time to digest it. See, no reaction. Let's see. Look at the data. Data right now. GDP is the exact same, and we have continuing is lower, and where is that? Initial are lower. So initial is lower. Initial claim is lower. GDP is exactly the same. Okay. So that means we are somewhere. How much is it? 213. 213. Okay. What the fuck am I doing over here? 213 against 215. Okay. Lower claims. And how much was the GDP? GDP was where's my mind, man? GDP was 2.8. 2.8 and it remained 2.8. 2.8. It was 2.8. So data right now is mixed. You don't call it a good data. Why? Because this number is not really lower and this number is exactly the same. So in short, we got played. Those people who trade news, they got played. So then, so now the all eyes are basically on PCE. By the way, natural gas is dropping. This was the natural gas trade that we took from here. I sold it from here. You see this? By the way, this was a profit we made on Friday. This was a premium signal. Just saying, okay? And we are on a sale from here, and it's just dropping. It's filling in the gap. Coming back to this. So, by the way, you guys can start selling. Okay? My hint will be look for sell entries. Why? Because market is not pumping. Look for sell entries, but scalps, and don't stay in those sell trades for more than like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. We got this data. This data is not kind of a data that you buy and it's gonna pump. It's gonna wait. How much time is left for the PCE? PCE is gonna come after at 8 o'clock. That means an hour and a half away. 1 hour 30 minutes. Bitcoin is pumping. Okay, nothing is happening on over here. What's happening on Euro USD? Euro USD, what are you doing? Is pumping up. Is it a pump or is it a fake pump? I don't know. Maybe it's a pump or before the dump. Let's wait. Go on a 5-minute chart on gold and start scalping, boys. That's the only guide I can, give you. And if you let's help you. I know you guys wanna make money. You know what? Come on. What the fuck? Where is USD JPY? Yeah, here. USD JPY. This is 1 hour. Okay. Enter buy. I don't know. I'm not gonna give any entry signal. Enter a buy. This is the only thing I can say is on 5 minute to 15 minute. Enter a buy. That's the only thing I can advise you. Enter a buy. And why? And you wanna know the logical reason? This is some premium stuff, but anyways, I'm giving it away. Take the higher, put into the lower. This was the drops yesterday. This is the retracement area. Get out at 0.382 or 0.236. Enter a buy over here. Put your stop loss wherever you want. Choose the lot size equally. This trade is gonna make enough money. Okay, enough money. So stop even listening to any haters, who talk shit. Don't listen to anybody. Just focus on your trade. You're gonna make a lot of money today, okay? Don't worry. Enter a buy on USD JPY. No need to trade Euro USD till PCE comes out, okay? I know a lot of people won't agree with me, but this is the least I can say to you guys. Enter a buy. Make your money on USD JPY. If you have any questions, ask me up. While I'm working on some stuff, I need to manage some stuff. Let me do that while you guys prepare for your trades, okay? By the way, the data is not favoring gold. Gold should go down and dollar should pump. But do you see that the dollar index is dropping? This is a question that I mostly receive from people. Why the dollar index is dropping when it should pump? And the question, my dear friends, is you never know. Anyways, I just hope that Euro USD starts dropping down because this is a manipulative move. What institutions do is, if you let me open this Euro USD, that whenever there is what you say high impact news, the institution will try to take out people's trade and start dropping them. So this is why you have other trades running on other stuff. As soon as dollar index start pumping, you're gonna see a reversal on Euro USD, and Euro USD reversal is gonna pump the dollar index. In short, I'm saying the same thing. Dollar index reversal is gonna pump Euro USD because it is at 106. Let me open it up. Let me open this up. See this? Oh no, it's dropping down. Dollar index is dropping down. Yes, it is at a key area on a day one intraday, but hold on to your horses. A strange thing happens, it might break away, because on intraday this is the area where you need to keep an eye, because price rejected previously this zone. If 106 this zone, if the price is able to hold on to this zone, it will definitely go above all time high of this year. And I think that fascinating things are happening. Dollar strength cannot be ignored. I believe in nothing. By the way, as my take is scalp gold, sell here, take your profits here, buy here, take your profits here, till the PCE data comes in, okay? Don't try to do anything flashy. Let the PCE data come in. Then decide what to do. Before that, don't be even bothered, don't be bothered about anything. That's how nasty it's gonna be. Our trades are running fine by the grace of Almighty. God help us. Keep us humble and and protect us from the evil eye. Amen to that, brothers. And protect our profits. Always, at least always 8 to 10% give charity from your profits. And no need to tell anybody. Just do it secretly. Because these things should just stay between you and God. I'm just advising. You guys are mature enough to. You see those people who show off, they they are the devil. Only devils show off. Real money show no money. Okay, let's see what's happening in crypto. Crypto looks like it's just waiting for the PCE. By the way, I should look at S&P 500. I haven't looked at that shit. It looks like this thing is, as usual, just nothing can stop this. I'm all the way up. Probably you should put this song and, watch this pair. This thing is unstoppable. Nothing is able to stop this. Look at the VIX. If you don't know what VIX is, it's a volatility index. Whenever there is war times, this thing goes up, and when this thing goes up, stock market drop. Look at this thing; it's going down. When this thing goes down, the entire stock market pumps up. This is, in short, this is your magic ball. If somebody says, "I know, I can predict when to buy stock, a particular stock, or when to go long on S&P 500 US 30," he's joking. Everybody knows this. All the OG traders use this. Save this up. It's called volatility index. Mark it up. People don't teach you this kind of stuff, okay? They say, "Come buy my course. Buy my course." Brother, but be logical. All this knowledge is available. But it requires time. People spend years to get all that education. This is why there are people who charge money to teach you this stuff. And I also do that. But my seats are just 12, 20. Every month 20. And this month already like 11. how much it was? 12 seats are already booked, only 8 are left. And how many days are left for the last registration? Just 4 days, including today. Registration will be closed at Saturday. Then the max batch will start in January. Time is running out. Anyways, gold, this key area is really important. Okay, this is London high. If this breaks, it will go above. But I am still saying I am really cautious. I'm not. I'm already on a buy from here, so I'm not opening any buys here because I'm not scalping, right? But if you don't have any longs running, I would advise you to wait. Instead of opening gold trade, go to USD JPY and quietly open a buy over here because this thing has dropped a lot. This is right now a 1 hour. This thing will start pumping up, start reversing. Not just this, even the US GBP USD, you know, enter this was yesterday. Yesterday this thing I posted this screenshot in the Telegram group. I said look for long trades. And if all those people who watch my stream, they know that when I put in Fibonacci, how we use it. Over here, I said look for buys. I entered over here. We took our profits within this golden zone. And as soon as those people saw this rejection, they got in a sell. People took this sell down till 190, from 193 to 190. They sent me screenshots in the morning showing me their results. I was happy for them. They're not even the premium. They just followed my instructions. They've come here daily, watch the stream, they learn, and they understand these things. But of course, the guys over there in the batches are, far more making far much money. But at least everybody is making money. That's the whole objective. My objective is to let you guys understand that everybody has the potential to make profits. People think this is gambling. This is not gambling. This is pure understanding of how market works based on specific set of trading setups, entry setups, exit setups that help you in your day-to-day trading. Anyways, we already have this in front of us. The data is right over here. And look at this, even the data came in lower, is going up. So this is why I say news doesn't always necessarily help. Even sometimes when the data is supposedly bearish, it keeps on going up. So this is what we call buy the fact. And the main number one reason I gave is because inflation is rising. PCE is coming right after an hour, 15 minutes. PCE will release. So if somebody asks me what's the game plan of gold, there are two game plans for gold. Look at this. You remember this drop? Fuck this ad. I'm buying it. I'm getting rid of it. This drop on Monday happened. The market needs to fill in this gap today. I don't know how it does, but it has to. Why I'm saying this? Let's go to Elite Wave. Those who are Elite Wave students and those even who are watching my stream since my first week of streaming, they know I follow this. I follow a lot of things at the same time, but I keep this thing to actually see where the market is moving. Elite Wave doesn't care about support and resistance. It doesn't care about demand and supply. It will do what it does is analyze the move. It will provide you with a chart that is repetitive in nature. Trading is all emotions. People buy and sell, and the decisions of buy and sell is based on their emotions. It's not based upon their analysis. Majority I'm talking about. See this, everything you see right now has been repeated over here and has been repeated before that. So this is just like Elite Wave is like a matrix cheat code. If you are somebody who says how the hell is no, It's like, you know, if anybody is a software engineer, it's like you find a bug, right? Then actually you find out it's a bug that somebody can, abuse that bug. It's either it can, use it for the benefit of the humanity or for the destruction. If a bug is in a game, you can use it to make money. If it's a bug in a real life, you can use it to destroy, invade the privacy of others. So this is a bug. This elite wave, consider that a bug. Now coming back to what happening in the elite wave, this is the fifth wave. Within this fifth wave is a impulse waves. First impulse and second impulse wave is finished. We are in the third one. Third one is always bullish. Now, given that is happening at the same time, GDP came out, unemployment came out, it's not a coincidence. We are living in a matrix. This thing is going up. Disregard of what kind of data is coming. Right now, I just plotted in on the screen that the GDP was exactly the same and unemployment claims were lower, but actually not lower. It was higher because it was just 2000, 3000 less, right? So it's kind of bullish, but it's not bullish. It's like somebody saying, nah, don't take that road, but actually take that road. But still I'm saying, I bought longs from Tokyo, I am safe. But if you are somebody who don't have any gold trades, be careful, buy on the pullbacks. I and even better recommendation I will do, don't trade news if you are new to trading. Stay away today because market is gonna give you heart attacks. If you don't know what you're doing, at least spend 6, 7, 8 months educating yourself or join a community. Any community out there. If you want to join Pro Wolf Trader community, join it. It's free. You can come on our Discord channel. I posted the link. Sit on the voice channels. There education material over there. Their traders come over there and sit in the voice channel. You can have conversation with them. In short, learn. You'll always learn something over there. Signals won't help you. Educate yourself. Yes, if you are busy, my signal services, first of all, are only for those individuals who are working 9 to 5. They cannot sit down and watch the chart. My services are only for them. My services are not for people who are, what do you call, too lazy to, figure out it themselves. If you are busy, it's okay. Even if are a trader having difficulty, you can trade. But my main purpose is to help the white class and the blue collar and white collar individuals so they can make extra profits besides their job and escape the matrix. They have a job, they have taxes to pay, they have families to raise. They cannot sit and trade in front. That's why at a really nominal cheap price I am providing my services. And those who wanna get educated, they come. Nothing is free in the world. Yeah, I had to talk about this, because publicity is necessary. I'll hire a social media team, then you guys nag that holy shit, always fucking messages are popping. I'm gonna talk about this shit. And anyways, elite wave is going up, right? I'm gonna keep it this way so you guys can see. This is 1 hour. Guess where my entry was today? Any guesses? Here. Here. Here was my entry. I got in here and my trades are running. Even I had one trade, layers of trade at over here, which are still running. Right now, you can buy, but what if it drops down? Just saying. Wait and watch, enjoy. Something really interesting will happen when PC comes out. And yeah, one more thing. I need 10 likes every hour, otherwise I'll switch off the stream and go away. Because there is no need to continue streaming when individuals are not invested in learning something. So at least 10 streams, 10 streams for every hour, and I'll stream for every, X 1 hour. Let me type this down. Okay, let's do this. Let me talk with the guys in the premium and reply to other individuals because necessary. Give me a second. Okay, so it looks like the candle is just dropping. So this is what I said. Right now, entering any long is really risky, given the fact that dollar index is starting to pump. So the dollar index correlation is back. Dollar and gold, both of their correlation is back. Euro USD has started to drop. USD JPY is doing nothing. Right now is a nice time to enter a sell on Euro USD. That was an unnecessary pump. That pump was not needed, but that pump was basically on Euro USD a liquidity grab. It was just a liquidity grab. Now it's just gonna keep dropping. I think so because it's about time dollar index starts pumping, and there is no force in this damn earth that will stop dollar index from pumping, because this is what America does, right? America, baby, America. If you there is a reason there is a saying, dollar is king. Don't mess with the dollar. Trade against the dollar and die. Oh look, but I made profit on Euro pump, bro. Look at Euro USD daily time frame. Do you think you can win? No, you cannot. Absolutely no. Not against dollar, baby. Not possible. Dollar is gonna chew you. Let's talk about Euro USD. Okay. What do you guys see? I only see a pump because New York open, nothing else. This data was bearish for gold. Dollar was supposed to pump, but it went up. Dollar was to pump from here. In short, this would be what it should look like, right? But instead it went up. So why it went up? This is the question. Number one, because liquidity grab. It wanted to grab liquidity, sell side liquidity, right? So this is why it unnecessarily pumped up. So you have to be always. This is why I say whenever you are trading the news, wait for the news to come out, and then even wait more, because if you would have, this is around, how much was it? Half an hour ago. This is 5 minutes, then la 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 la. Approximately around somewhere around here, it started pumping, right? This zone it started pumping. Let me mark it as a gray zone, okay? Purple, sorry. I don't know if you guys is visible or not. Let me yellow. Okay, yellow is fine. So this is the data. The data came in what? The data was bearish for gold. In short, data was bullish for dollar. Dollar was supposed to go up, but what happened? It went up. Why? Because data was mixed. Dollar was data was lower, but not that lower. It was higher. If it would have come higher, like Euro USD would have dropped like fuck. And dollar index would have pound, but it was, how much was it? 213. Okay, this, if this data was, let's just say, the fuck, if this was, let's just say, 218 or 230, then higher claims would set gold up, but claim is higher but not that much higher, it's like almost, it is higher, but it's not at the same time because there's 2000 less. So this is why we saw a slight pump and now it's dumping, because data is bearish, but at the same time it's not bearish. It is a higher claim. Inflation is rising in America, causing that is causing lots of problems. You think that indicators will help you. No, you have to read data. You have to learn how to read data. If you don't know how to read the data, join the batch, Pro Wolf Trader batch 4. But if you don't know, if you don't have that budget, just watch my stream daily. But don't miss my stream. You'll learn a lot. Because I say a lot of things in between. So you have to, wait for those things. I help everybody. I even help those people who are small time traders, because everybody was a small time trader once, right? Back then, nobody was helping us, Back in 2016-17 on YouTube, there was no such trader. Nobody even knew what trading was. Trading got famous when Bitcoin started pumping, right? I found out about trading because I met some people in the office. Before that, trading was rare. Nobody even knew what the hell it was. Especially in third world countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Nepal, a bunch of neighboring countries, Iran, parts in Gulf countries. Nobody knew. We found late, and majority of the West people are doing it since early 2000s. You see the momentum. I'm actually taking pauses while streaming because I'm also watching my trades, just like you guys are. So this is why I'm saying that this data is lower, but it's not lower. It's lower, but it's not lower. Understand? It's lower, but it's not lower. It's the same, but it's not lower. So it kinda should have pumped gold up and dumped dollar, but in short, it was bearish. It should drop. Gold should drop down. Dollar should pump, but exactly this happened. Why? Because the data was in short favorable, but it came in short it came lower claims and higher GDP, but the result, the impact was high, like kind of like lower GDP and higher claims. So even then, people who were in a buy, they would have made profits on the scalp, because initially the data was bearish for gold, but it resulted in a way that was bullish. So kind of messes it up, because data, this is why it's called mixed data. It messes with you. Now Euro USD is slowly dropping. Why? The final hour is coming. You will slow this slow drop, and then a massive drop will consume the entire chart. It's like that big chart, that is scary chart, that is scary drop, big ass. Euro USD is going down, probably gonna take some time. Be patient, okay? Open a sell from here. I don't know. I'm not predicting anything. I just have probability according to my analysis that I've been reading all the data and all that stuff for the past couple of weeks. All I can say is that dollar strength cannot be ignored. Dollar is strong. Alright, you will see lots of pumps on major pairs, because when dollar is strong, other currencies, other central banks, they try to hike their currencies, hike their interest rate, sorry. So this is why China is panicking. Because of that, the Chinese stock is dropping, because they need to do something. Otherwise, if Chinese currency, loses value, yen will lose its value too, because Chinese people, they invest their money in Tokyo market in yen. Yuan is invested, yuan is converted into yen, and then it is traded. This is why Tokyo session is more important than New York session. Why? When New York traders go to sleep, the and the Asian session starts after some few hours, the traders who come in, they see what happened last night in New York session, and let's just say that there is a gap, and they know that if they don't make that big move, New York will come back again after a few hours and fill in the gap, take in the bag in the profits. So it's like you either you're gonna eat the steak by yourself, all right, or you're gonna pass it and let the other person eat. And they don't like passing out down stuff. So there is lots of confusion with a lot of people just come, trade in New York session and go away. I know trading is not possible for some people in all time sessions, but if they can just wake up in the morning, just don't trade 6 hours, just trade at least 2 hours in the Tokyo session. Believe me, you will make so much money, more than New York. All trades happen in New York, the Tokyo session. All traders, all those swing trades that are placed in Tokyo session. Even I wake up, you see all my swing trades on oil, on gold, on all the other stuff. It happens during the Tokyo session. Early bird grabs the prey. Those birds which wake up late, they go to, because if you see, observe birds when the sun rises, when the sun is rising, the fishes are on the, what do you say, if you are a fisher, if you fish, you know this, that when sun is not out fully, the fishes are on the top of the ocean, river, or whatsoever. And at that time, birds, they come and they grab it. But as the sun is comes out gradually, the fishes go down in the bottom. So this is why there is this approach, early bird grabs the prey. What the fuck am I even saying? My mind is actually going back and forth. Euro USD is gradually dropping. When I say gradually, it means slowly, because PCE is coming, right? You might see a dump even before the PCE. I think the market is starting to digest the data, digest the bearish data for gold and bullish for dollar. You know, this is good. Let it digest. Let the money come in, brothers. Let the printer brrrrat. It's gonna take time. Nice things, take times. Good things take times. Natural gas. Look at natural gas. Even I took an entry at Tokyo Open. This, you need this. If you don't have this indicator, you will. This is called MKT sessions. Okay, go get it. You need this. If you don't have this, then I don't know how you are trading. When I trade, when you sit down for trading, you need to know what the high and low was of the previous session. If you don't know that, you cannot fucking shoot blanks in the, you know, dark. You need something. I shorted and I fill this. In short, this gap is getting filled. You see this gap on natural gas getting filled in. This is probably the last time I'm sharing natural gas live on, because this all this knowledge is premium stuff. People they and I show this to to people, individuals out there who talk shit that I cannot make money because they are haters. They will hate you even if you they, in short, they are the enemy of your happiness. We only live once and we only die once. So live your life, make profits, be happy. And don't give a fuck what other people say or think about you, because life is too short. Stop giving a fuck about what other people are saying. When we will all die, it doesn't matter what other thinks about us or what opinion they have in their mind for us. Because in the end we'll be dead and buried 10 feet under the ground. Unless you are somebody who is burned according to your rituals, or even mummified, as far as I seen in various cultures, or buried, I don't know. Natural gas is dropping, Euro USD is slowly dropping, USD JPY doing nothing. Yeah, so as is clearly visible that Euro USD is dropping. Yeah, so sorry about that delay. I was doing something. It's really busy hour. Euro USD is dropping. See, I told you dollar index is pumping. Let's go talk about dollar. Let's look at dollar index. Okay, this is dollar index. You can see it, doing a pullback. If this thing does a pullback, you know what was gonna happen? If you ask my opinion, I think this drop happened for a reason. And yeah, you guys know what I'm gonna say to trap the retailers, blah. But the reality is that it is because this is where the around 106 where the Tokyo session started. Before that, it was gradually going up, and market as usual always know this that Donald Trump announced tariffs on China, Canada, Mexico. In short, he's making impossible for them to do drug smuggling and a bunch of other because 25% tariffs nobody will send parcels and fake Gucci and Adidas or Nikes and Air Jordans all that stuff they send millions and billions of dollars of worth of luxury brands all fake items and plus they send drugs too and also weapons and a lot of time they are caught at the checkpoints, but majority of the times also they get passed by because of internal involvement, corruption. But why I'm talking about this? Because it affects the US economy. It hurts the US economy. And Donald Trump made sure that not gonna happen. So this is eventually gonna make dollar strong. Yeah. So eventually, where was I? Sorry about that. So much work today. Sorry about the delays. So what were you talking about? Yeah, dollar index. Dollar index is gradually going up and Euro USD is coming down. There is no pump on gold, which of course send us back to our elite wave. So it might be that PC also comes out and is mixed and it just dies. There is no volume because it's Thanksgiving tomorrow, right? So there is no volume on gold and this thing is just like does this does this just keeps on doing this and dollar index just pumps up breaks this up and suddenly all the messages start popping in dollar break all time high it can happen this thing can reverse. This candle, if it reverses over here, it reverses this zone, it is gonna cause problem. This is of course probability, because trading is all maths and numbers, probability. Let's discuss a similar scenario that happened a few years back, that broke past this level. But at that time, it was 2022 July. And similarly, we were stuck at that time, first in this zone, secondly, at, if I remember correctly, yeah, it was 108 and 109. And right where it broke past 109, it made a drop. Everybody got convinced it's dropping, and it just went up. And the next day, there was a doji or a reversal, whatever you can call it. It was a sideway range, and boom, it went up. Similarly, similar situation. Don't believe your eyes. When you are trading, don't believe what you see. It's like magic, right? Magic is not my real magic, right? It's just tricks. So, market is just playing tricks on you. If you are somebody who trusts candlestick analysis a lot, okay, like hellish a lot, then he can get into trouble. Why? Because you have no basis. He has no basis of coming out of this situation. Wait a sec. Somebody is messaging me, what will happen on your USD? Nothing, brother. Everything's gonna be fine. Just focus on your trades. I'm not trading a lot of things today. I'm just trading dollar, crude oil, natural gas, and that's it. I'm not even touching Bitcoin because I bought Bitcoin from the bottom. I mean, from the bottom means that I did an analysis. If you guys are watching it on live stream, let me show you this up. I said there's gonna be a retracement down till this zone. This was my buy zone. It eventually started reversing in, so I bought at here, and I'm just gonna let it run. This is a swing long trade. And if you're somebody who's watching the stream right now and probably buying here, even right now, it's not too late. You can buy, you can buy in this zone. But be careful, be really, really careful, because you have to Okay, guys, sorry about that. Some stuff keeps on coming in. Where was I? Yeah, DXY is dropping, and I told you guys to buy USD JPY. USD JPY is finally showing us that pump. In short, we are headed towards the retracement zone, so it's gonna be really quick trading. I want you guys to tell me what you want to see. You wanna see gold? You wanna see Euro USD? Sorry, USD JPY or Euro USD? Tell me what pair you guys wanna see on the chart right when the data releases. Okay, be fast because data is about to release. And this drop is gonna be a massive drop. I think even the gap will get filled in. Let's see what happens. And I hope it's not a dirty move, a dump and a pump. I just hope it's just a smooth pump up. That's what all we want, right? That's all we want. Nobody is active on stream. I feel like closing the stream and going away. And nobody even. I'll just focus on the work. Okay. Always remember put a stop loss, okay? Put a really tight stop loss on the news. Because if it pumps down on Euro USD, you will make profit, okay? And when it drops down, take your profit. Because once it drops down, okay, it will come back up again. So scalp it. That big drop, when it will come down, take profit immediately. When it's going up, buy and get out after 5 seconds. But if this is your first time, stay away. If you have done this practically, more than like 8-10 times, then do this. But if you are a new trader, haven't done this, I'll probably say don't do this now. Have a demo account and try and keep doing this on demo. Opportunities will keep on coming, but don't waste the money. According to my analysis, everything will pump. I mean to say, major dollar pairs will pump, and gold will drop down. This is my view, but I can be wrong too. But the data is never wrong. I can be wrong, but the data cannot be wrong. Even after when the data is right, the market will do the opposite. It's always, it's really rare something happens for the right reason. Majority of the time, it's not happening for the right reason. We entered around here, okay, and we will take profit around here. Here, when it will dump down, we will take profit around here because it's gonna be a one big massive drop. Get ready, okay? Get ready, guys. Get ready for the news. And don't trade, don't over trade. Okay? Okay, guys? Don't over trade. I hope this helps you and stay positive. No need to take stress. I'm here. And a lot of other people are also here. We are all trading together. Okay? No stress. Of course, stress is there. Stress. I mean, in our real lives, there's always stress. Either it's job related stress, dating related, driving, anything. Life is full of stress. So put a smile on that face and face life bravely because life is never easy. And we are doing what everybody is doing, but the only difference is that 70% of the people investing right now are not profitable. And the difference is that they just started trading without any knowledge, education. Some of them they go join communities, understand, they either take signals because they cannot study or understand, or they're smart enough to actually work something out. There's always an option. So be that guy, be that smart guy. Okay, guys, in the premium group, get ready up, get geared up, have your trades open, put a tight stop loss. You guys know what to do. I already briefed you. Stay away from gold. Focus on forex pairs. You guys, you have your natural gas trade running, so it's already in profit. So if anything goes wrong, you guys are already at break even and in profit with that natural gas trade, and we prepared for that in advance. So no need to worry. Just focus on the news. Okay, this is the natural gas. I have an alert as soon as this touches this zone, we're gonna get the hell out of our trades, and I'm gonna inform you. So no need to worry. All right. Let's do this. Let's do this. Wall Street, let's do this. Let's face our fears. Okay, I see GPP, JPY pumping, Euro, JPY pumping, or JPY pumping, USD, JPY pumping. Let's go, baby. Let's go. 8 minutes left. You probably gonna see markets pumping. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Who's excited? Come on, guys. Be active. Let me gather more people up. Nah, leave them. As I said, okay? Dollar strength. Remember one thing. Dollar strength. Let's open DXY. Because this is educational. You guys need to understand dollar. DXY. If DXY pumps, all major currencies will pump, right? All eyes on dollar index. Let's go. I know it's not new for me, but yep. Anyways, let me grab the for PCE. Okay, give me 1 minute. Let's go, baby. Let's go. You gotta pump it up. You gotta pump it up. Pump, pump, pata pata pump, 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 pata pata pump, pata pata pump, 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 pata pata pump. What am I even doing, brother? Nothing. Viva la Ruski, baby. Pata pata pump, pump, pump. Let's open the beta. 5 minutes to go, baby. 5 minutes. Somebody. PCE is expected to be higher. You know what higher means? Higher means is bad for DXY. But guess what? I think it's gonna be lower. As soon as it's lower, it means what? It means what? Inflation is rising, baby. That's what it's about. Ring my bell, ring my bell. Ring my USD JPY pumping, baby. I hope you guys open that trade. Ring my bell, bell. I think it's gonna be a huge. It's gonna be huge. It's gonna be huge. Donald Trump, baby. It's gonna be huge. We're gonna make America great again. It's gonna be huge. Anything is possible, baby. Anything is possible. A pump or a dump or a dump or a pump. Anything is possible. It might dump before it pumps, but let's see. Again, I'm saying it can dump and pump or a pump, dump, pump or a pump, pump, pump 2 minutes, pump or a pump or a dump, pump or a dump. I see it as a pump. pump, it can go back and it can go up. If it goes back, it's gonna fucking bitch slap me and then go back. I'm gonna lose my shit. So just drop. Okay, just pump. The TX5, just pump, baby. Just pump. Don't tease me. Just pump. Don't tease me. Just pump. 1 minute left. Okay. Let's go. Okay, this is out. Is it out? Is it out? How much time is left? 10 seconds, 9, 8. Okay, I think it's out. Let's do this. Come on, baby. Let's do this. Pump, 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 pump is slower. Let it pump, baby. Let it pump. Let it pump. Let it pump. Pump. It's lower, baby. The data is lower. Don't fucking go back, hit our stop losses, or and then pump. I'm gonna swear to God, I'm gonna fucking break the damn screen. I swear to God, just keep on pumping, baby. Keep on pumping. Hit hit the like button. It's a slow pump. It's not that kind of a pump that you expect. It's just like a slow pump. But if I swear to God, if it goes back and then fucking pump, I swear to God, I'm gonna break my nothing. I'm gonna break. I'm not stupid. Probably, I'm gonna post that reaction on the social media, make money out of that. Nah, just messing with you. Let's go back. Core PCE is exactly the same. Okay, and pending home sales are 2.0%. Now the fact that the PCE is exactly the same, okay, it means it's still 2 point, what do you call, 2.8. It's still higher because it is not lower. That means it's still higher. Given the fact that the rate is exactly the same, is considered higher. Now, right now, you don't see a dump or a pump is because market is digesting. Market is digesting what the hell happened, and you will see a pump gradually. If you don't see the pump gradually, just wait. Right now, people are panicking. People, are probably closing their buys and opening their sells. They're confused. Don't be confused. Have a tight stop loss. Follow your trade plan. Don't panic. As I said, it's gonna go up. I mean dollar index, not euro USD. Dollar index is gonna go up. Is still rising. It's not dropping. So don't be confused. Okay. See, euro USD is dropping now. Here it drops. Here it drops. Dropping now. Okay. It's dropping. Let it drop. Yes, it's dropping. Come on. See, this wasn't that hard, right? When you know what you're doing, when you have education, when you know about how interest rate work, how everything, if you keep track of all the data, right? Then you are not stressed. That's what we do in Pro Wolf Trader community. We read the data, we read the financial statements, and we help each other. Okay, see, it wasn't that difficult, was it? Now, this is a slow pump. Dollar index TX5 is a slow pump. So the data is lower. And you can also see that gold has dropped. Nobody was paying attention. Gold has dropped. While their DXY is pumping, let's focus on gold. Gold is dropping. See the gold drop. Gold is dropping more than anything. Look at this. It's dropping gradually. It's going up. It's pumping up. Okay. This was our trade. No, sorry. This was our trade. See, Euro USD is dropping. USD JPY is gradually going up. Euro USD is our main bread earner. And also is dropping. Gold is dropping. Gold is dropping. What does that mean? After the news effect is laid off, of course, is a buy opportunity. But right now, just cash in Euro USD drop and USD JPY pump. Just hold on to your trades, but not for the next week. Just bag in your money. There's a huge correction that's going to take place on Euro USD and USD JPY. All right, this is all Trump 1.0. Look at gold is dropping. Let it drop. If you have a sell, good. And I said dollar and gold correlation is back, which is really good and healthy. We didn't saw dollar and gold correlation in Biden era. Even Biden is president right now, but given the fact that that lunatic is finally leaving the office is really good. It will drop to a certain extent, but yeah, good thing. Look at, yeah, somebody is messaging you. Can you please look at Bitcoin? Bitcoin is gonna. Good news is that Bitcoin has finally, is back on the momentum, buy momentum, because it's Thanksgiving. So and every anyway, so I don't know why you guys are so lazy, so sleeping. Come on, guys, be active. Even right now, if you're not on USD JPY, get in. It's not too late. You can catch that big pump. It's just gonna move. Market is just digesting. It's been 7 minutes. Let market digest in. See this? This is now a nice area. You can buy over here. Buy the, what do you call, gold, and scalp it, because this is a sideway range for gold. But of course, use a tight stop loss. Be smart about it. Today we had such a huge data, but the kind of move that we are expecting from the market, we are only getting it from what you say, Bitcoin. This is why I say Bitcoin is the future. Bitcoin is the future, baby. Bitcoin is the future, baby. And it's gonna keep pumping. And in Thanksgiving days, guess what's gonna happen? It's gonna keep on pumping. Okay, guys, this is going, so probably you guys are not interacting. Nobody is active on chat. I'll be turning off the stream now because I have to go work. I have guys to sit and trade with. I see you guys again on Monday because of Thanksgiving. It's holiday. Thank you for tuning in. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.